about to demonstrate how to create motivational and inspirational videos similar to these, because having faith that things will work out in the end will give you the courage to follow your heart, even when it diverges from the well-traveled path. This technique is going to be incredibly simple. I'm telling you, anyone can do this from anywhere in the globe. You won't even need a camera or to use your voice or reveal your face. All you'll be doing is copying and pasting films. And following this, I'll show you all you need to know and precisely how to do it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm back with some news you can use, so if you're new here, hey and thanks for dropping by. But don't be a stranger. Subscribe now and become a part of the family. Every day, millions of people all over the world watch inspiring and motivating videos, which is how much money one particular channel makes. I use Social Blade to check how much people are being paid for these kind of videos. There is a lot of money in these types of videos. Let's get to how we're going to make these videos. And there are 3 key components that you'll need. We'll start over here at Pexels, which has the best freestyle photos royalty-free content. In response to the common query, am I going to get a copyright strike? They responded, no, you are not going to get a copyright strike as long as you're not just going to print out images turning them into posters and selling them as your own work. So if we head over to Pixels, click on Videos and type in Motivation, we can see this as one of the things you might see in a motivational video right here. What also appears here is a person boxing, and that will be a good one to use if you're doing motivational exercise type videos, so I'll just download that one too. Another one right here is a person sitting on a rock, and we're going to go ahead and just download that one because it looks inspiring. As you can see, I'm just clicking on that download arrow, and it's going to download it here where the sky is blue and there are some people climbing. I hate to interrupt, but please do me a huge favor and give this video a like, because it really helps me out. Now, let's get back to it. So when it comes to the music in your video, there is actually some free music right here on YouTube that you can use in your audio library. I'm just downloading a bunch of stuff because when you're creating these videos, you're going to need a lot of different scenes that's going to go throughout it. And you can browse it and search for inspiration and motivation. To use Epidemic sound, you must pay $9.99 per month for the personal account. However, there is a free 30-day trial available. I'm urging you to take advantage of this offer while it is still available. I don't like to use YouTube instead. Instead, I prefer Epidemic sound. Epidemic sound has better quality music, in my opinion. When it comes to adding the new music, we almost have everything we need to create this masterpiece. All we need is the person who will be speaking. And since we already know it won't be us, we can get some free audio of people talking from the Internet Archive. On this site, there are also some free audiobooks that we can download. I think this is a good option, so let's just go with that, and if we change our minds later, you can go to audiobooks or community audio when it comes down to it. But I'm just going to click on audiobooks and check for positive affirmations because those are kind of a hot issue on YouTube. And the only thing that showed up here is the game of life and how to play it. One of the most crucial things to check when clicking on these items or trying to determine whether you may use something is whether it is in the public domain. Whether it is enjoyable to use. You can click on these various names to hear how they sound. Okay, so that's something we could potentially use, but there's another thing I liked on this site. I discovered that there were more options here in terms of positive affirmations when it comes time to edit the video, untitled for the time being, so I'm just going to drag and drop all of the videos I downloaded into. You should keep doing this because you'll need as many unique videos as possible to keep the content exciting. You can arrange them however you want. If you want that to come first, just click on it. You can also use these clips again by copying and pasting them, but I wouldn't recommend doing it in the exact same order. Next, we're going to take the music that we downloaded and add that on over there just like that. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments and let me know if we chose the right song in videos. Then, I'm going to add the music back in so that I can see how it all flows. So you want to make sure everything is at a pretty good level, and another thing you want to do too. When you have your videos in the order that you want them to flow, and at that moment, simply click this to download an app. I typically use 1080, and when it comes to the title, this is really crucial. I advise you to look up whatever kind of inspirational video you're making on YouTube and see what the title is that they're using. You want to use something similar so that you can kind of draw from the viewers who have been watching their video. Bring in the millions of people and let them watch your station. I can do this too, so that title is probably going to be the most crucial thing because viewers will have to search for and find your video. So you want to keep in mind what they're looking for and how to get them here whenever you write out your title. For your channel to start making money, you must first get some subscribers. So you'll need to put in some effort to get there. But the good news is that these are easy to make, and if you can start posting one every day, I can assure you that will help you to start gaining viewers and subscribers. As long as you're doing your homework and making sure that you're posting the right videos, people should start flocking to you. I'll make sure to include a link to the Pixels to Epidemic Sound Internet Archive below, so that you can click on all. So if you could like this video for me and subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it.